In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently navigate Squarespace to get the help you need. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a newcomer to this platform, knowing how to access assistance can make your experience smooth and stress-free. Let's dive right in. First, let's open your web browser and type in the address bar to visit Squarespace's website. It's the first step to accessing the wealth of resources they provide. Once you're there, you'll find a sleek and intuitive interface waiting for you. Squarespace is known for its user-friendly design, making it relatively easy to find what you're looking for. As you become familiar with the layout, you'll notice various navigation options in distinct sections, highlighting what the platform offers. Now let's move on to the next most crucial part, finding help. At the top corner of the homepage or wherever site navigation is available, look for the Help option. This section is your gateway to Squarespace's support system. Click on it, and you will be presented with a range of options to address any concerns or questions you might have. Squarespace provides support through various channels, so it's really about choosing what's most convenient for you. Within the Help section, you'll typically see choices like FAQs, community forums, or detailed guides. However, if your issue is more specific or you prefer human interaction, you might want to consider the live chat option. Live chat is an efficient way to get quick answers. It connects you directly with a support representative who can assist you in real time. This is perfect for when you need instant clarification or if you're right in the middle of something and need an immediate fix. Alternatively, if your concern isn't urgent, you might opt to send an email. This method allows you to detail your problem comprehensively, including any screenshots or files that can help explain your issue better. Email support is fantastic for intricate queries that might require more detailed assistance. The support team aims to respond promptly, ensuring that your project progresses with minimal delay. Once you've chosen your preferred help option, whether it be live chat, email, or perusing the guides provided on the site, you can proceed with confidence that Squarespace's support team will be there to assist. Remember, the goal is to make your experience as seamless as possible, enabling you to focus more on designing and less on troubleshooting. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should have a clear understanding of how to access help and support on Squarespace efficiently. I hope this guide helps you navigate with ease and resolve any issues you encounter along the way. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.